Okay, I just went and bought the infamous Bloom greens. I have not tried them yet. I'm going to taste them for the first time with you guys, try them for a little while, and let you know how I like them compared to my other greens that I've been taking for quite a few months now on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, I am all about the supplements. I'm all about the greens, especially. I have tried many green powders in the past, and I have found one that I really love. Okay, it's the Clean Simple Eats Peachy Greens, and I have been seeing the Bloom all over social media, all over TikTok, so I wanted to see how they compare. So I literally just got this. I got it from Target. I purposefully didn't drink my greens this morning because I wanted to taste this on camera to see how it compares. So I'm going to make it the same exact way as I make my other greens. These peachy greens that I've been taking for quite a few months now, I literally crave them in the morning. Like, they are good. They almost taste like a peach Snapple. I'm not even kidding. They taste beyond good. Better than any greens powder I have ever tried. And I've tried many of them. And I'm going to make these the same exact way. I have 10 ounces of water. I am going to take a scoop of the greens. And they had a mango flavor as well, but I'm not a big mango gal, so I got the berry, which I'm not huge on berry either, but hey, just flavors. I love them, the real thing. But then I take this whisk, mix them up. They smell pretty good. I mean, it smells like berry. I realize it's a completely different flavor than the peachy greens that I've been taking, but I will say these are, maybe a little bit. I was going to say they look a little more vibrant green, like my other greens I've been taking are more of a like deep green when I mix them together. But I just do that, and then I like to put ice in it or use cold water. But I did not use cold water. Mix it. So it does have a little bit of a different color to it. I like to drink mine with a straw. All right, let's give this a try together. They're not bad. Not the worst greens powder I've ever tasted. I will say that. So I put the same amount of water, and I'm not sure if it's the same size scoop as my other one, but I will say these taste a little more like watery, like watered down, even though it's the same amount of water I normally put in my other greens. Like, there's not as much of a berry flavor to them. Like, I get definitely get more peach flavor in my other greens. Honestly, they're okay. Again, not the worst I've ever tasted. I think if you like berry and you're looking for a green powder that's manageable, hey, it's convenient. You can go to Target and get it. I will say I probably won't. I'm not gonna say I won't ever use these, but I'm probably gonna stick to my other greens, honestly, because they taste way better. And I was looking at the ingredients as far as like everything that's in here, and I like these ingredients a tad bit better. They're a little more anti-inflammatory, which I definitely need. This has pretty good ingredients, but just in my opinion, not as good as this. This has like some tart cherry, chicory root, echinacea. Like, not all of that is inside the other greens. I'll put a link to both of these if you guys want to check them out. But I think if you want something that's manageable, it's drinkable, it's okay. Honest opinion, I like these better, but I wanted to give you guys a little comparison of the two. I know greens powders are getting really popular right now, and for me, yes, ingredients matter, but taste matters a whole lot as well, because if I don't like drinking something, I'm not going to drink it. I've had other green powders that I will take because I enjoy the benefits of a greens powder, but I've had other greens powder where I don't enjoy taking it. It doesn't taste good. I've tried many that don't taste great, and I've had to mix them with like either apple juice or orange juice in order to like tolerate drinking the whole thing. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick to my clean, simple eats. I honestly, since I've found them, I haven't tried anything else, so Bloom is the first thing I'm trying since then. Again, I know it's a completely different flavor, but I just wanted to give you guys an honest opinion, a little taste test. I'm gonna drink these just because I already made it. I'm not gonna make it go to waste. That's about all I got. A little honest review, little taste test for you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.